It's YouTube Wednesday.
This is Robert. Robert will be filming.
Hello.
Might already be filming.
I did shave up underneath here.
You did, so we have just enough
and
to...
over here, and I'm making sure this is all fresh, and I made sure there was space here too.
So pull your beard back again. Then I have a blue spot here. First thing though, get that mustache straight to the side to free up as much of this space as
When the
possible.
solder is up and out of the way, because I can use the club man for that.
If it wasn't a challenge, then it wouldn't be fun. This is true. Hallie, I'm gonna have you go ahead and alcohol all around his lip and above his mustache and beard line, all over, just to make sure any residue from that wax or anything is not there. Do me a favor, it's your elbow.
Inside.
We'll leave that about 5 or 6 minutes.
See if my skin reacts to it.
Exactly. Some people react to masking tape to adhesive. Where's your This is the adhesive we're going to use. It's not like latex. It dissolves with its remover. So what will happen is if this gets in your hair, we'll just use the remover on it, it'll come right out. So it's going to be a big space where it's not glued to you because of your beard.
It can't be, yeah.
I'm using the lower part of the face from a different prosthetic because normally
This is true.
it's one of those where I say I can't believe that worked. Back. Now let's look at the tape on your arm. There's no reaction there at all. Perfect.
Okay. Oh, like fake.
Exactly.
Okay.
It's all on your timeline. You have time. Okay. Remember that time in the past when you breathed out of your nose?
Yeah.
You're not gonna be able to do that in this makeup.
Well, the character is kind of nasal. So maybe covering up the nose isn't a bad thing.
Maybe that's why the character is nasal. I'm not doing the very edges around the eyes and stuff because I'll go in and do that with a Q-tip after so we can move them and play with them.
I have a pain tolerance with that.
I should not need any of your pain tolerance. There should not be pain. If there's pain, I'm doing it wrong.
Well, if I have to jerk out a few hairs afterwards, it is what it is.
It's like sauce for your nuggets. They give you,
Yeah.
eight
No matter where you go.
nuggets worth of sauce, and they give you 9 nuggets.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and again, I'm not going super close to your eyes right now. For that after.
Beard and masking tape and contact.
Just beard and masking.
It should be cool.
It's just masking. Yeah.
I'm just making sure that when I move, that I don't pull some of it out, because I do a lot of it.
Not a hair on it.
I'm surprised.
No, masking tape it's good on hair actually. Okay, now that's all out of my way.
Yeah, and it feels more secure too.
shiny. Put your lips here. Okay, look at you. Okay, I think I can get those eyes glued down right, and then we can do the rest of that with hair. Get you fixed. Mustache and beard are hidden.
I can still breathe through my nostrils. Interesting enough, there's enough space in there.
Out to the side, your mustache is acting like a filter.
Oh.
It's keeping a spacer, so it's going out to the edges there. Okay. Hey, look in there.
Cool. Scary, but works. I'm trying not to.
We'll bring the scary back down with the.
Hey, he was scary.
You don't know this, but Chris had a foot-long beard.
Yeah, you can't see. You should have seen this beard when he walked in.
And well, you can see that it's been split and
Yeah.
tucked around the back,
Yeah.
and it's glued, it's taped back here.
That's Chris's beard. It's a mighty beard.
This
man.
has been a challenge, but here we are. Close your eyes. Back up. Let's see if we'll record ourselves. Do me a favor, grab your hat, put it on for me.
Once again, it is time for a little self-promotion. Our brand new online course series, Haunter Class, is officially now available. Our first course, Latex Mask Making 101, is an in-depth learning experience diving deep into the process of sculpting, molding, latex pouring, hatching, trimming, strapping, and painting. It's your ultimate guide to crafting your very own latex masks. Ready to get started? Head over to haunterclass.com for more details. Check the link in the description below. Okay, let's get back to making stuff.
That's actually really good. I'm gonna go with this green, I think, for the most part. Hey Alex, what you working on over there? You want to unroll this and cut this into like 3-inch strips? Just like I cut this one into a 6-inch piece.
I'll wear it for at least 3-4 hours. And by the looks of it, I might go through Chick-fil-A and demand a shake. I'll demand a McFlurry at Chick-fil-A. And then I'll give them a hard time because they don't have it. And I will tell them, my schedule simply doesn't allow it. Somebody at Chick-fil-A will pull out a phone. You also have a
Help.
teamwork to make a
Why is
dream work.
everything I work with sticky? Yes, it will.
Grouchiest. I want people to see some of the
Now see how this stuff lays in? This is the wool. If you look at the wool and its edge, it's just like natural hair growing out of there. It is. Love using that wool.
That's just how they. That makes a huge difference.
Lay everything and you'll grow it.
So glad for this company. In your beard.
Close your eyes. Look up. Make you up.
So wherever you put it is where it'll fit.
Understand, I have no idea what I'm doing. Wing it.
And you've made a livelihood out of it.
It's darkening the sides. It'll actually make the fingers look longer.
You miss no detail at all. That's beautiful. You pick every detail out.
See, just that little bit of darkness.
Yeah. That makes all the difference.
Helps them blend into your face just a little.
I don't mind at all.
Absolutely, I'm not.
Absolutely. I've already been around him long enough. I got him from Whoville, the Shoey Patrol. They're a steal of a deal. A steal of a deal, I tell you. Because I stole them.
Go make stuff!
Thank you to all our viewers for watching. If you would like some more behind the scenes content, make sure to join us on Patreon. If you would like to attend our camps or labs, enrollment for our 2024 educational programs can be found at stiltbeaststudios.com. Our educational programs also make excellent gifts for your loved ones. Happy holidays, and as always, go make stuff.